So the use of artificial intelligence goes way beyond, writing stories and doing video work. Eric here has really come up with a very unique way to use artificial intelligence. So tell us a little bit about your company.
We are a digital health startup, and we created an application with a virtual healthcare provider that lives inside it. And it can monitor and correct you in real time while you are exercising. And of course, we use artificial intelligence. These are the tutorial, so that the patients, when will do the exercise on their app, have all the videos, and they can learn how to do the exercise correctly. And after this, they can start a real live session.
So can you give me a little bit of a case study as to how we would use your product?
Yeah, mainly we have 3 products line. One product is for physiotherapists, and so that they can assign the right exercises to their patients. And when they are at home, they are not alone, because they have the app, and the app can monitor and correct them while they are exercising. And all this simply using the camera of your smartphone or computer. So our application don't need any additional equipment. So it's very accessible for patients. We also have a product for pharmaceutical companies and for insurance, for prevention and to keep patients engaged in their clinical journey.
Couple questions now then.
Yeah.
So on the first part for the physical therapy piece,
Yeah.
okay, so it goes through suggestions. So let's say I break my leg,
Yeah.
right, and I'm going through physical therapy,
Right.
okay. Your app then, your software would actually keep track of the therapy I'm doing even at home,
Yeah.
and then and show me what I need to be doing.
Yeah,
Okay.
it works like this. Of course, you have been to your physiotherapist, and of course, as every physiotherapist do, it will assign some exercising to do at home.
Right.
So when you will be at home, you will be guided by the application, but the exercises are chosen by your physiotherapist.
Okay.
So you have your own personalized schedule for your medical disease.
Right. And then does it show your physical therapist then that you've been doing the exercises?
Yeah,
Okay.
and this is the problem that we want to solve, because all the time that we assign exercises to do at home to our patients, many patients don't do them because they are not monitored. And so with this application, the physiotherapists can understand if they are adherent to the physiotherapy schedule.
Where do we find out more information about Allimb?
You can find more information on our site.
Okay.
Yeah, it's www.allimb.com.
All right. Very good. Thank you,
Yeah,
Eric.
thank you very much.
This is your Guru of Geek, Marlo Anderson at CES 2023.